Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG, and today I'm doing a quick opening and first look at the Stasher Stand-Up Mini. So this thing is 28 ounces. It's plastic, kind of a silicone. It is BPA and BPS free. So it's designed to, in the name, stand up on its own, so that gives it a lot of functionality. It has a wide opening, double seal in there. Some of the cool things about this, it is microwave safe, dishwasher safe, oven safe, and stovetop safe. So you can heat this up to 425 degrees, which is real cool. So if you're using this for backpacking, you can put whatever you want in here, like eggs for an omelet, and dip it into boiling water and then cook them that way. So for me, I'm taking this backpack. This is going to be a great replacement for a bowl. You can just set it up, use a longer spoon than you normally would, roll it open and eat right out of there. If you make a stew or any of the pre-made dehydrated backpack meals, just dump it in there, mix it up. It's going to be a great feature. You know, it can just keep your electronics safe. You can pull them out, or you can store whatever snacks you want. So I'm excited about adding this to my carry for my essentials when I'm hiking and backpacking. So thanks for watching. Make sure you join me on my next adventure.